In today's new video, I'm going to teach you how you can use this print-on-demand platform and website with the help of Pinterest to start getting paid by just creating print-on-demand products totally for free without not worrying if you do not have any designing skills or if you do have not tried to make this work before and tried to make designings before. At the very end of the video, you can be able to earn high amounts of money online just by selling one shirt or other products just for 50 euros, just for 20 euros and more. The price that you will be selling this thing is going to be based in what you do think. But in order to make it work, and if you do not know what is print-on-demand product, you will have to follow this video attentively to follow every single step that I'm going to be sharing with you today so you can make it work and start earning a dime with the help of these two platforms. But before going there and revealing to you how you can make it work, don't forget guys to go to Further Personal Growth if you do really like to make money online and you want to see more videos coming up day by day, more proven strategies. Make sure to give a big thumb up to the video below. Make sure to comment I love to make money online if you do want to do that, and as well make sure to comment if you do have any question or anything like that. Subscribe to the channel if you do have if you want to get notified, and as well push the notifications on so whenever we post a new video you will be the very first one who will get notified about that thing. So if you want to share this video with your friends, go to the share option and share it so they can start making a dime, same as you're doing right now with the help of this platform. The platform is called Gelato.com, and as I told you since in the beginning, it is a print-on-demand website, and it's going to help you to earn money just for doing print-on-demand products. And when we talk about products, we mean like men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and baby clothing, phone cases, wall art, wallpaper, mugs, photo books, cards, calendars, stationery and businesses, and tote bag as well. But what is a print-on-demand product? It is a product like, for example, a shirt or the other products that you saw so far. And if you want, for example, to do a print into that, to do a design into that, you will have to pay for everything, for the printing, for the shipping, and other stuff that are included into that. But while with Gelato, you will pay nothing at all. You will only get paid just for doing a design to one of these products. You will not have to be worried about the shipping, about the printing, or about other things like that, because they will make it easier, and this is what makes them special. They will do everything and they will take care of everything. You will just get paid for doing that kind of design. I'm going to teach you, as I promised, how to do designs. Even though that you have never tried to do designing, you will be able to use Pinterest, a platform which is totally for free, same as Gelato.com, to do them. And what makes special again this platform is that they work with local printer, so this will help you to save time and environment as well, because they do not they are a green company and they do not want to harm the environment. So they handle everything, and it means that shipping will be faster, stronger, and in real time because of that reason. You can see that some of their great customers are like Optimal Print, Canva, Mapfuel, Andy OK, NBO Hood, For Wall, Royal Time, Positive Prints, which it makes this platform totally secure and legit. And as well, you can see that the production here is in 33 countries, and thousands of online stores connect to Gelato for customers enter items, products produced locally and delivered within an average of 72 hours, faster, smarter, and greener. You can see even into Trustpilot.com, you can go there and search for Gelato.com, and you can see that this platform, it has got almost 5 stars, which it makes this rating excellent ratings. And as well, you can see the reviews where a lot of people are putting 5 stars, which it makes this platform totally secured and one of the best to use, because all of these people are getting satisfied with the help of this platform. Now that you are here, what you have to do is for sure to read all the information about this platform, which I'm not going to read them all, so I'll not make this video longer. But what is important is that as soon as you download this platform, or you go and register by just clicking into Get Started, and you can sign up to Gelato with the help of Google, Facebook or Apple, or just by the help of email. The three first one are the fastest and the easiest one, which are going to save you time. But as soon as you go there, you can be able to see that they are having 10 million more print orders fulfilled over 12 years experience. They have 2,000 plus more countries and territories within your reach. Close to 90% of orders produced locally, reducing carbon emissions, and 72 hours most orders are delivered within 3 days. Now that you have read all these, you can be able to see all the products on print-on-demand products into this platform. They are offering categories like men clothing, women clothing, kids and baby clothing, phone cases, wall art, wallpaper, mugs, photo books, cards, calendars, stationery and businesses, and tote bags. And you can just access them all, and you can do, and for sure you can order some like that. But what we are here today is to get paid with the help of this platform. So in my example, I'm just gonna click into women's clothing so we can see not only the products but how much you can get paid with the help of it. Now that we are here, we're just gonna choose t-shirts, for example, and you can see here a different option given to you, different models and stuff like that. You can see that the t-shirts are from different amounts of money, and you can just put an amount of money of it after you have designed your own new way or your own new niche. You can see that you can get paid just for selling one of these into different amount of money, varying from the cheapest one to the highest one or to the expensive one. Now that we are here, what we're gonna do is just to choose one of this ones. So I've chosen this, which is called Even Organic Unisex Crew Tag T-shirt. And what you can do here is just click into design your print, putting in a design into this shirt, and after that they will take care of the printing, they will take care of the shipping, of the packaging and all of that, and you will be able to get paid not only 40 euros, but as well you can put another price to this platform, to this design. Now that you saw this, where you can find your design, as I promised you since in the beginning, is with the help of Pinterest.com. And now that you're here and you have created a total new account into Pinterest and you can be able to access it, what you're going to do is just to search for a niche that you think that people are more interested into that. You can search for animals, cats, food, anime and other stuff like that. But in my example, I've just searched for flowers. You can see here a lot of aesthetic flowers. So what I'm going to do is just going here and downloading one of the images. And when I download one of the images and I have it ready in my device, what I'm going to do is getting back to gelato.com, click in design your print, style it, choose the fabric and other options as well, and after that just start selling it with a price that I want. And I can be big and I can put the price that I want. I can get paid more than more. Well, another thing that I will highly recommend to you is just doing the design of this platform, doing the design of this shirts, and you can get paid different amount of money. But expect just sharing this kind of designs. You can go to the very end of the page and you see different options given to you, like White Gelato, print on demand, integrations like Spotify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, BigCommerce, APE, which it makes this platform again totally secure to use. But what is in our interest, it's as well to go to the company option and click there in the very end of it. Well, you can see affiliates program under the all options as well. You will just be clicking there, and yeah, you can start getting paid not only for sharing your products, but as well just by joining Gelato's affiliate program, up to 50% of the commission. You can sign up as an affiliate, promote Gelato, and start earning again and again, not only by just doing promotion of these products, but just doing as well affiliate marketing with the help of this platform. And yeah, that was all for today, and I hope that you really enjoyed that, and I hope that you will start to use it so you can start make a dime with the help of gelato.com, sharing these products, and as well with the help of Pinterest. And I thank you all of you for watching this video till the end and for supporting me. See you on to the other videos that I'm going to be sharing with you again and again.